In these series of videos, I'm going to show you some stock trading tips using Trading 212. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you create a limit order. If you want to buy or sell your shares at a certain price that you define, and you aren't in too much of a rush, you can place something called a limit order. And I'll show you how to do this all over on Trading 212 Invest Now. However, the same terminology and process will apply on other trading platforms too. And I've previously created a full beginner's guide for Trading 212, which you can find below or over on my website, everybithelps.co.uk. Plus, if you haven't already signed up and you want some funds to trade with, you can get one free stock worth up to £100 by using my link below. So the first thing you'll need to do over on Trading 212 is deposit funds to trade with. Or you can go into practice mode to try this out first. Then once you've got some funds in either account, you're all set to trade. So if you find an instrument, a stock or a share that you'd like to purchase, and in this example I'm going to choose Tesco. So initially I'll show you how you can buy and then I'll show you how to sell with a limit order, but essentially the method is exactly the same. So if I go ahead and buy, you'll see the current ask price at the top of the screen, and then you'll have the option for market, limit, stop, and stop limit orders. And these options will be available regardless of which stock or instrument you choose. And I've got videos available for all of these order types, but today we're going to concentrate on limit orders. With a limit order, you can define the price that you'd like to pay for your share, and just wait for the market to reach that price. This type of order allows investors to trade securities at a certain price, and your order will not place if the price does not reach that level. So in this example, I'm going to purchase 50 shares of Tesco. So you can either use the slider to get to that point, or you can simply type them in. So we can see the current market price, but we may want to pay less than that price. So in the price section here, we can enter the amount that we'd like to pay, or as it states here, we can set the maximum price we are willing to pay per share. And then you can click on the up or the down arrows, which will take the share price and then just decrease it. Or you can type in the amount that you'd like to pay. And you then have your expiration. So you can choose from end of the day, which will obviously expire when the day finishes, or you can select GTC, which stands for good till cancelled, meaning the order will wait to be filled unless you go ahead and cancel it. So I'm going to choose GTC. And then I can review my order. And in here it's telling me the order type, so it's showing me that I'm purchasing with a limit buy order. It's telling me the number of shares. It's telling me an estimated cost. It's giving me my limit price that I entered, expiration, commission and stamp duty. And then when you're ready, you can send your buy order. And your order will then show under your pending orders tab. So in here it shows us the type of order, the quantity, what the current price is, the price that I've defined as my limit price, and then it tells you the date that it's created. Now, if there aren't enough shares in the market at your limit price, it may take multiple trades to fill the entire order, or the order may not execute at all. So they've also given you the option to cancel this order, which you can do by clicking onto the red X. So say, for example, the market changes dramatically from the price that you've submitted, you can go ahead and cancel and try again. Or if you wait for your order to be filled, once the market has reached your price, your order will execute and show in your portfolio tab. Then when you're ready to lock in your profits or protect your losses, you can sell by hovering over the instrument under your portfolio and choosing sell. Again, you're going to enter the amount of shares that you're wanting to sell. You're going to select a limit order. Now in this example, the current price is just shown up here. However, you may want to sell yours at more than that price. So what we're going to do is enter in the price we'd like to sell these at. And we're going to do that by using the arrow and clicking on the up this time. And then review your order. Send sell order. and it will then appear under your pending tab. So as you can see, it's quite an easy way of controlling the amount that you'd like to pay or sell your shares at using a limit order. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.